Student, you are most welcome in today's science class. Student, today we will revise chapter 2, housing and clothing. As all of you know, in this chapter we will study about the types of houses, a good house, clean house, our clothing, fiber obtaining from plants and animals, and good clothing habits. Student, as you know that all human beings need food, clothes, and shelter can be bungalow, flat, or hut, which protect us from heat, cold. Okay, and once we are in our house, we feel safe and protected. A good house gives us the comfort and peace. Okay, as all of you know, why we need house? We need house to live in, and a house also protect us from rain, heat, cold and snow, and storms also. It also protect from animals and thieves. People live in different kind of the houses. How many kind of houses? Before that you also study about that one kind of houses. The early human did not know the build a house, so they used to live in caves. They used to light fire outside their caves to keep the wild animals away. Okay, but after some time, when they learned to make learning the art of the making houses, what can they do? With the passage of time, they learn to build house using mud, sticks, straw, and these houses were kacha house. Okay, you still see the kacha houses in village. You you saw the kacha houses in village area. Still you can see the kacha houses. Okay, that is made up of mud. A kacha house is nature friendly, but it is not very strong. Kacha house is a nature friendly, but it's not a strong house. And see, after that, we are using the different material for making the house. Different materials such as used for the building the different type of houses, such as the wood, iron, cement, bricks, steel, glass, aluminium, etc., are the some materials which are the commonly used for building a pakka house. Second type of the pakka house. Two type of houses are there: kacha house and pakka house. Kacha house is made up of the mud, and pakka house is made up of the cement, bricks, steel, glass, and other things. Okay, a good house and clean house. A good house should have all features maintained below. That a good house should be well ventilated, have the airy windows so that the fresh air and sunlight can come inside. Sunlight kill the germs and keeps all the rooms dry. Fresh air help us to breathe well. Open windows in the morning to let in the fresh air. A good house should have open areas like balconies, verandas, where the fresh air can be enjoyed and the children can play or study at same time. Okay. Next, the good house should have clean and green surrounding. Clean and green surrounding, and grow the more green plants around the house. They not only beautify the place, but it also give us the fresh oxygen to breathe. Window and doors should have wire netting to keep the mosquitoes, flies, other insects away. Wire netting allow the fresh air and light to come in, but to prevent the insect from the entering the house. A good house should have a proper drainage system. Kitchen and bathroom drains should be the cover to keep mosquitoes, disease causing germs and cockroaches away. Mosquitoes breed in the uncovered drains and dirty water and can cause the disease like the malaria and dengue. So always the drains are covered. Okay. Ways to keep the house clean and tidy. How can we keep our house clean and tidy? All rooms and kitchen in the houses should be kept clean and tidy. Food item in the kitchen should always be kept covered to keep away insects and spread disease. Household wastage should be thrown in the covered dustbin. All garbage should be collected and thrown at a proper dumping place, not on the road. Dusting should be done every day to keep the appliances dust free. Floor must be kept clean and dry. Toilet, wash basin and bathroom must be cleaned daily. Keep away the germs. All things should be kept at their proper place. Okay. So these are the main point we can do for the good housing. Okay. So all of you students read this chapter properly, learn the book exercise, learn the all revision and write in your practice copy. Okay. Learn each and everything, main terms, facts of chapter, summary of the chapter, MCQ, fill in the blanks, short answer, answer in one, all you should prepare very well and give the good exams. Okay, firstly when you will give the exam, firstly read the paper properly, after that you mark the correct answer. Okay, don't solve your question paper in hurry. Okay, all the best all of you. Okay, now stop the today's topic here. Next topic we will start the clothing. Okay, so all of you learn this one, learn the book exercise. I will send the revision work, you will learn it and note down in your practice copy. Thank you, God bless you.